Trade day, yeah, that's me. Trade day, yeah, I'm he. What's good with y'all, YouTube? It's your boy Jay back at it again with another video. Got a little trade recap for y'all boys, man, and girls. Everybody know I trade supply and demand. Before we even get started, yes, I am still new to supply and demand. I haven't traded supply and demand since April of last year, so if things sound wonky, sorry. This is me documenting my journey. You're seeing me form as a trader with supply and demand. So, and I'm trying to learn like as I go. This is no course. This is just me learning from YouTube. So take that with a grain of salt. Um, One thing I will say I have picked up is that, so obviously I'm a trend trader. I like to trade with the trend. But for some reason, like I've been noticing like the higher time frames don't always have confluence with the lower time frames. So you have to read and react off the price on the lower time frames. I only enter off the five. So again, there's times where you're gonna have to. I've noticed just read and react off the 5 minute and take a trade. Now, what I saw today. All right, let's do a top-down analysis real quick. So over the night, NAS was breaking structure to the downside, broke this low, broke this low. So I was looking for sales. The hour before my kill zone, just selling. So I was looking for sales. Made a slight bullish run, but I was still in the sellish, in the bearish mindset. And then it just didn't. It just I don't know. Just completely said fuck the trend, and just did what it wanted to do. So what did I do? I read and reacted. Now I only take trades. I don't care what shit's doing over here. I only mark up my zones and my kill zone. At 5 a.m. I start marking up shit. So one, I only trade. Well, I don't say only trade because I didn't do it today, but I took a low probability demand zone. And a low probability demand zone is a demand zone or supply zone that doesn't have a gap. So I saw this. Here's the 8:30 news. I always wait until news drops. I don't trade before news. I made that mistake last week. Ain't doing that shit no more. So I've got the 8:30 news candle, right? You got momentum coming up. You got the big bullish candle, broke structure, whatever. So honestly, price been kind of bullish for like a couple of hours. As you can see before my kill zone, it's been going up, like higher highs, higher lows. So I'm kind of like, all right, well, fuck, man. Overall, the trend is bearish on the higher time frame, but I gotta read and react. So I saw this low prob demand, and I was looking at it. I was actually watching AU and GU, but then I saw this, and I'm like, man, price is like tapping the fuck out of this little low prob demand zone. I was like, you know what? I got it on a break of the candle. So I'm trying to figure out that too. Normally I do aggressive entry, but I was like, you know what? Let me do break of the candle because I'm not too sure right now. And New York's finna open up in like 10 minutes. So I got in right here. Obviously spread and shit, but I got in like right here. Have my stop like that. And it just ripped right to my 1-to-1, but it went all the way up to this gap and filled this gap in, and then it just shot up during New York Open. But yeah, that's what I took. Oh yeah. No, I don't. Yeah. Little trade, little win, little 322. I'm upping my risk to 1% because I'm tired of this 0.5%. So that was a 1% trade right there. So yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got. Again, I'm still trying to figure this shit out. But so far we're 5-1. So we're gonna take it. Yeah, we're gonna keep being active, keep being consistent, and I see you guys Thursday because I don't trade tomorrow. So be lit.